Hey guys, welcome back to another quick form video. In today's video, we're talking about AT&T Prepaid and some good discounts that they currently have going on. I think this is a really good time to actually pick up AT&T as a prepaid carrier if you're looking to switch up to another prepaid carrier. You know, on this channel we talk mainly about prepaid and other prepaid carriers, mainly focus on like Boost, Cricket, and Metro by T-Mobile, but you know, a lot of people don't give AT&T Prepaid too much loving. So I actually just looked them up. I was on Walmart.com, and you can actually get this deal through Walmart.com or through AT&T.com. So let's go ahead and check it out. So as you can see, I'm at Walmart's website right now. America's Best Network got faster, unlimited data and potential. So real cool. AT&T is probably the only carrier I haven't tried just yet to see how good their coverage is. But let's go ahead and check it out. So here you go, guys. AT&T Prepaid, nationwide 5G, limited in areas. Just check. I guess the one thing I have my gripe with AT&T before trying to switch to them is they don't have nationwide 5G as big as, you know, Verizon or T-Mobile. So that's one thing. If you care about 5G and it's not available in area, then, you know, maybe AT&T Prepaid or even Cricket Wireless is not a good carrier for you. But if you don't care and you think AT&T's 4G LTE is fast enough, then go ahead and get them. Now, if you are in a big city and there's AT&T 5G in your area, then go ahead and pick it up. But it will be extending to more areas. So there's postpaid and prepaid. We're talking about prepaid, of course. Guys, check this out, and we're going to talk about all the benefits that AT&T currently has for you as a prepaid customer. Then maybe another video I'll do a comparison between Cricket Wireless, since they're both about the same. So, but I'll tell you why one's better than the other in that video maybe. So let's go ahead and see what they have to offer, the plans, and how you can save $25 a month, which is really good. So phone plans, fraud call blocking, and spam alerts included in all plans. So there's a 5 gigabyte, 15 gigs, 25 unlimited, and unlimited plus. So that's the 5 plans that they currently have. Remember, fraud calling, blocking, and spam alerts included in all plans, which is really nice. I think they're targeting a lot of customers right now because everybody's getting fraud alerts and spam and all that. So it's pretty cool. So pricing per month with auto pay, guys. So this is the big thing where I told you can save $25 off, up to $25 off on their monthly unlimited plans is with an auto pay discount. It says price per month with auto pay. So for 5 gigs, you get 30 gigs. I mean, for 5 gigabytes, it's $30. So for $30 a month, should I say, it's 5 gigs of data. So here we go. As you can see, we'll look more into it. There's a 30, 40, 40, 50, and a 50 plan. So you're like, what? I know it didn't make sense at first, but stick with me. I mean, why not get the better plan, you know? So says that's the refill cards that you would have to get, monthly refill cards. So it's a 30. Technically, these are what the plans originate without any kind of discount. So it's a 30, 40, 50, 65, and $75 plan. I mean, for $75 a month on prepaid, that's pretty high, guys. I would not get this plan. I would probably go with Cricket, but there's a lot of benefits to it, and we'll go ahead and talk about that. So like I said, data, 5 gigs, 15, 25, unlimited, and unlimited. So you might be saying these two are the same price. Why is one better than the other? Why it's technically this one's 50, 65, this one's 75. Well, for $50 a month. Now remember, after a $15 auto pay discount, because this plan originates 65. Like I said, without the auto pay, guys, this is going to be key to this. You need to do auto pay. If not, it's really not worth it. So for $50 a month, you get unlimited data. AT&T may temporarily slow data speeds if network is busy. For $50 a month, or technically $75 original price, with a $25 auto pay discount, unlimited, you get unlimited data, but after 22 gigs, AT&T may temporarily slow data speeds if the network is busy. So this one has priority data of 22 gigs. This unlimited plan does not. Priority data, I would definitely choose it over not having it. That's just like if you go to somewhere, like let's say you're going to a J. Cole concert or something, and there's a lot of people in that one venue that's using AT&T's network, or you go to an amusement park, the same thing, there's a lot of people using the AT&T network, your speeds may temporarily slow down. So instead of your internet going really fast, it'll slow down because the network's congested and you'll be deprioritized. So that means you'll be kind of left on the bottom of the totem pole, you know. So overall, why not get the $50 plan with auto pay? That's the best one to get, honestly. Now the 40 for 25, I think it's definitely good for the price. But like I said, for us unlimited people, if you need unlimited, this is the one to go with. If you don't, I think the 40 with a $10 auto pay is the best one to go with. So what these plans all come with: unlimited talk text, unlimited text from US to over 230 countries, fraud call, blocking, and spam alerts. So all these 5 plans, they do come with that, which is good. Another cool thing that a lot of especially Latinos and Canadians like is talk and text to Mexico and Canada is included in all these plans. Use your plan in Mexico and Canada. So you can also use your plan if you go to Mexico. I believe in some areas you will get deprioritized to 2G speeds if you're in Mexico using these plans. Mobile hotspot, you do get all mobile hotspot included in all these plans except for the limited plan, which is the $50 regular $65 plan. So all these plans right here, you might be saying, this one tells me it's 10 gigs. What do I get with these? What they do is they use the data that you get allotted. So for this plan, you get 5 gigs of hotspot, and that does use up your regular data that you have. 15 for this one and 25 for this one. So versus with unlimited, because it's unlimited, you're not going to get an unlimited hotspot, but they do give you 10 gigs of mobile hotspot, which is plenty for a lot of people. Now to get 5G access, that's another thing, and HD streaming, which is the thing I would want. HD streaming and 100 gigs of cloud storage, you have to get the top plan, which is the the $75 plan, which is 50 after the auto pay. So overall, I think it's better to go with the unlimited 50 plan. You might be saying, is there a limited time on this? Yes, there is, guys. So if you read, now this is also taxes and fees not included. But here you go, guys. This offer ends on the 27th of this month. So you got about two and a half weeks left. It says, after autopay enrollment, receive a $25 discount on monthly plan charge. Limits not combined with certain offers, discount, or other plans. Unlimited plus plan, good for 30 days upon payment of applicable plan charge. Includes unlimited talk text within the US, Mexico, and Canada. So pretty cool. Here's the data. It says data includes unlimited high-speed data usage within blah blah blah. Here we go. Data restriction. After 22 gigs of data usage on one line in a cell phone bill for the remainder of the cycle, AT&T may temporarily slow down speeds on the line when the network is busy. That's what I was telling you about. So video streaming, if you don't get the $75 plan, top tier plan, you will get you will only watch it in standard definition, so 480p, versus if you get the more expensive plan, you will be able to watch in HD. But the thing that AT&T doesn't really tell you, unless you kind of read the fine print, is video streaming. It says includes Stream Saver feature, which allows you to stream higher definition video in standard definition on compatible devices. AT&T will activate the feature for you. Stream Saver will not recognize all video content. You can turn the Stream Saver feature off or back on anytime at att.com/myatt or call 611. So even if you have the more expensive plan, guys, you have to go into your My AT&T account and turn that feature off if you want to watch it in HD streaming, because if not, you will be able to only watch it in 480p. You won't get the full full video quality that you're paying for. So just watch out for that. So I get what they're trying to do. You're only getting 22 gigs of data, priority data, so they don't want you to go through it that quick, so they turn this feature on for you, but you can always turn it off. So for the average Joe that doesn't know that, I mean, they might be a little mad. So just make sure you turn that feature off. So overall, I think it's a good deal right now, guys. I'm tempted to try this plan, honestly, and see how it goes. So I might have to go pick it up and see how it goes. So Thanks for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Dragonic Warfare sign off. More videos coming your way. Let me know if AT&T Prepaid is one of the carriers that you're looking into picking up, and what do you think about this $25 auto pay discount savings? So not too bad, huh? Thanks for watching.